Alright, so let's make Fizz Python. So first we have to define the Fizz buzz function with input num. So for I in range num, so what that basically does is for every number between 0 and num minus 1, so we have to offset that by bit because then it's going to include the current number, it's going to include 0, so current num equals I plus 1, so we can print the current number. So if that number mod 3 equals 0, so like if the remainder is 0, so that means it's divisible by 3, and it's divisible by 5, then we print Fizz buzz. Otherwise, if it's only divisible by 3, we print Fizz, and then otherwise if it's only divisible by 5, we print buzz. So now let's run the function, so Fizz buzz, so we have to change the input to an int so it works. Input number, I still run the program. So if the number is 15, that works. 1, 2, 3, fits, Fizz, 4, 5.